Fish. Agimat, where is the fish? Fish. Fish. Saan ang fish? Fish. Very good. Duck. Duck. Ball. Duck. Cake. House. House. Ball. Ball. Ice cream. Egg. Egg. Very good. Milk. 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 Very good. Nose. Where is the orange? Very good. Where is the zebra? Zebra. 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 Where's the zebra? There. Very good. Flag yan. Umbrella. Van. Very good. Pencils. 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 Very good. Grapes. 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 Saan ang grapes? Turo mo yung grapes, anak. Nasaan yung grapes? Ay, very good. Saan ang orange? 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 Saan ang orange? Yung orange na. Ay, very good. Asan ang watch? Watch. Very good. Xylophone. Yan. Toy. Strawberry. Strawberry. Very good.